So we're here in Gainesville, Florida in the US, working specifically with the University Writing Program at the University of Florida. This opportunity has come through the TIFE funding grant, and working with the delegation of colleges, we were able to identify that students really do understand the content of their work, but when it comes to the actual academic writing part, this is where we see struggles.
We've had the opportunity to come across the pond to Florida, one of the top universities in the States, to look at academic writing. And it has been absolutely, like we'd hope it to be, inspiration in terms of seeing how other people do different things.
The structure of the writing program and the writing courses I think have been really interesting to us. This idea of teaching students that are interdisciplinary, so are actually from lots of different degree programs, the overlap between their writing styles.
Our writing program, the UWP here, is very, very robust. It's very dynamic. Our focus is on foundation level writing all the way up to specific disciplines, and beyond that, experiential learning by way of writing. So work study, internships, community service.
When I was asked to join the program, I didn't know what to expect. And I think my colleagues, we were all very similar, in the same boat as well. Any fears we had, at the beginning was put to rest, really. The staff have been absolutely amazing.
We've been able to see the academic writing programme in its full entirety, so seeing the lecturers and the way that they deliver to their students, but also the content and the mix of students and disciplines.
What's really blown my mind is just how many disciplines you have here within the university, just that wide spectrum of learners. There is a common goal in which to bring out the best in learners, that experiential learning, putting it into the context of future workplaces.
It's really great to see learners work together, and despite their majors, they were still coming together to enhance their academic writing.
The ability of the University of Florida learners to peer assess between themselves has been a real takeaway.
Lecturers sort of encouraged and empowered their students to take the lead, to sort of take that critical perspective on somebody else's work, provide that support, provide that guidance without kind of that threatening aspect, oh, my lecturer is just looking over my shoulder now.
The goal is to be able to wrap up everything that we've been able to observe here at UF and create a kind of pilot programme or a resource pack that we can deliver across Wales, particularly in the FE sector. The most important aspect is that it doesn't matter on the subject areas or the themes. Academic writing is needed across all subject areas. So the way that it's been delivered by the academic programme team is really inspiring.